If you say this to a woman, it will be impossible for her not to be attracted to you. It doesn't matter if she's a difficult woman to conquer, or even if you haven't spoken to her yet. Because if you use these 3 words, I assure you, it will be impossible for her not to feel attraction for you. If you want to attract any woman with words, subscribe to our channel and don't miss our videos. Something important we need to know is that the vast majority of men try to impress women with their physique by buying all kinds of gifts or by using typical phrases like, "Let's do whatever you want," or "I'll do whatever you say." Let me tell you, that achieves everything except attracting that woman, because what you're showing is insecurity, and this can cause a woman to lose interest much faster than you imagine. And here's the trick. These 3 words can completely change the dynamic and make all women feel attracted to you. These 3 magic words are you and I. I know you're probably thinking, what's so special about that? Well, believe me, when you use them in the right way, these words have a power you can't imagine, because they show the other person that you know what you want, that you're committed to what you're saying, and that you're not afraid to take the initiative. And that's a quality every woman values, even if you don't think so. These 3 simple words attract any woman because they reflect 4 fundamental pillars that every woman wants in a man, that are interest, respect, attraction, and initiative. So how do you use you and I in real life? Number 1, when starting a conversation. If you're meeting a girl or talking to someone you're interested in, instead of being shy or too vague, say something like, "You and I should grab a coffee." This not only shows that you're interested, but also that you're direct, which is very attractive. Women appreciate honesty and clarity. And the best part, there's no confusion about your intentions. Number 2, when asking her out, instead of saying something like, "Hey, if you want, we could see each other sometime," which sounds like total indecision, say something like, "You and I are going to dinner this Friday." See the difference? Now, you're not just suggesting something, you're taking control of the situation. That generates respect and attraction. You come across as a man who knows what he wants, without waiting for approval. Number 3, when the relationship is more advanced. If you're already in a relationship or dating someone, you can use you and I to make decisions or propose plans without beating around the bush. Instead of saying, "Whatever you prefer is fine," be clear and direct with something like, "You and I are going to spend more time together this weekend." This shows that you not only value the time you spend with her, but that you're also taking the initiative in a positive way. Here's the trick. The key isn't just what you say, but how you say it. "You and I" has to sound natural and confident, not like a forced phrase. The important thing is that by using it, you're not only showing confidence, but also commitment to what you want. And that is what will attract all the women you want. These 3 words are simple, but with the right tone, they create an atmosphere of connection and security. Now, don't misunderstand. This doesn't mean you're arrogant or selfish. It's not about making everything revolve around you or imposing what you want. What's really behind these words is a clear intention, but also a willingness to listen, compromise, and share experiences. The trick is to be firm in your desires, but always respectful of hers. "You and I" isn't just a statement, it's an invitation to action. It says that you're clear about what you want, but you're also giving space for her to feel heard and valued. So here's my challenge for you. From now on, start using the phrase "you and I" on a regular basis. It doesn't matter if it's in small or big conversations. The important thing is that you start training that confidence. Use "you and I" in at least 3 different situations throughout the day, with friends, with a woman you're interested in. Even at work, I promise, you'll notice something interesting. People will pay more attention to you. People will feel more attracted to you. People will start to respect you more, because they'll see that you're a man who knows what he wants and communicates it clearly. We've reached the end of this video, but before you go, I want to make an important invitation. Don't just stick with the theory, take action. Put what you've learned today into practice, because knowing the secret means nothing if you don't apply it in your daily life. Write me in the comments. How are you going to use you and I this week? Give me an example or a situation where you think you can put it into practice. And at the end of the week, come back and tell me how it went. I'm sure you're going to see surprising results, and I'd love to read about your experiences, because with something as simple as 3 words, you can change how others see you, especially women. I'm sure you'll start to see amazing results. Remember, you and I isn't just a phrase, it's an attitude. Thank you for joining us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time, and good luck with your relationships.